Hey, today we're going to do some shingles on all of this. Let's get to it. So we're going to need some galvanized nails, a nail gun, a tape measure, a pencil, a saw, a speed square, and a ladder. And a helper. Standard shingle, it's tapered like that. You want to start right here about this is where this foam board, you can see where this other shingle is, and the foundation. You actually want to overlap just a hair, just a little bit, maybe 1/8 of an inch. You want a nice line. Since on this garage door I was only doing just 1.5 feet, I just pulled a level on it on the first line to start and worked off of that. You just take that, put your shingle up here. So standard is about 8 inches. You want about an 1/8 inch of the shingle showing. So you've got another 8 inches going, so it goes behind this one. So square it up and make sure everything is good at the bottom. 2 nails is all that is really required. Sometimes I'll put 3. And you want to stair step it. Take the next one, then you check, make sure everything's good on your line that's going to be underneath. 2 more nails, and then your next board that you start, you want it to overlap. You don't want these seams on top of each other. You want at least 1.5 inches overlap on the seam. So we want 8 inches. So I'm going to use this as a reference because I know that's 8 inches. I'm going to go 8 and 8. So you pull your 8 inches, mark your 8 inches. Normally on a longer run, you would do a starter board across the bottom so you could sit them on that. And then for the second course, you pull a string, so you could have the string. String's easier to move as you go up. But for purposes here, I'm just marking 8 inches and 8, marking my 8 inches. Line it up, and when you nail, you want to go through this shingle and the shingle behind it, but above this, so you don't see it, so you don't see the nails. That's how you do it, and you want to stair step it as you go up. See that? That's too close, so you don't want that. So you have to find either a smaller board, cut this board, which I would probably cut that because of this big hole. Cut it down and stick this in here to space it, and then run another one. That's pretty much how you do it. Okay, here it is. Cedar Shakes around the garage. Turn the corner. Cedar Shakes done. Got a nice overlapping corner there. The paint colors for the brick and the trim. That'll be coming up next. Got a wire supplied for our light as soon as the vinyl guys get done. Gonna get all the vinyl done soon also. There it is. So till next time.